November 7, 2025. Intuitive Code AI issued a sell-in short signal on SoundHound at $22. 16 months later, SOUN hit $5.83. The algorithm called every entry of that decline before it happened. The Webull weekly chart captured at the moment of signal issuance tells the story. Alex Vieira annotated the peak at $24.98 as the clear short entry, a secondary entry marked on the lower high, expanding volume on down weeks, textbook distribution. This was not hindsight. It was documented before price action. The algorithm did not stop at one entry. It quadrupled the short position as the trade confirmed. Entry at 22, doubled at 20, tripled at 17, quadrupled at 15. Every re-entry timestamped, every re-entry a public record. This is a complete algorithmic trade cycle, not a lucky call. While the algorithm was quadrupling its short position, Wall Street was issuing buy ratings on SoundHound. Alex Vieira had a different view, backed by pattern recognition and mathematical precision, not consensus opinion. The divergence was not close. The outcome was not in dispute. At issuance, the Webull chart showed a projected support level of $6.24, visible on screen, November 7, 2025. SOUN closed at $5.83 on March 30, 2026, below the target. The algorithm's projection was not approximate, it was precise. The signal is published at autonomoustrading.io. Timestamped, public record, independently verifiable. The link is live. The timestamp is November 7, 2025. This is the standard Intuitive Code AI holds every call to, documented before price action, confirmed by outcome. March 30, 2026. The same session SOUN hit 583. Alex Vieira called the bottom in the stock market and bought more than 60 stocks and ETFs simultaneously. Short cycle complete. Long cycle initiated. One algorithm, one session. That is what real-time algorithmic precision looks like. The SPY daily chart from that session shows the annotation in real time. Entry 697 on the short side, profit taking at 630. Buy signal issued before the closing bell. Short from 697. Cover at 630. Long initiated the same day. Time-stamped. Independently verifiable. Alex Vieira is the creator of the Intuitive Code AI algorithm. What you are about to see is a live trading session, the algorithm working in real time on Webull with every signal visible on screen before price confirms it.
Position, you don't need to wait for the stock. That is the ideal situation. It was to the share price to go there, but the market might not give you that opportunity, so you have to do something about it. That's why I say that people, they shall not be concerned, entering or waiting for the extreme or the very extreme. You might get it or not, okay? And this might be already extreme. Why? Because once you then enter, okay, and you are prepared or you have a plan, if continues higher, the more I short, who tells you that now you have here these pivots, and going forward, you might have, for example, this a downtrend. Because so far, what people they had is an illusion of an uptrend, but who tells you that going forward you will not have a downtrend, and in the end you end up here at $6, right?
The result, SOUN short at $22, quadrupled across 4 verified entries, target $6, confirmed at 583, decline of 76.6%. SPY bottom called the same session, every signal timestamped, every outcome a public record. This is Intuitive Code AI. SOUN short at 22, 583 confirmed, 76.6% decline, 4 timestamped entries. SPY bottom called the same session. These are not isolated results. They are the output of an algorithm that is called Palantir from $9 to $187, NVDA from 10 cents split adjusted, and DUOL down 78%, all documented before price action. The circular trade cycle is complete. The algorithm identified distribution at $24.98. It confirmed the breakdown through 4 entries. It called the bottom at 583 and pivoted long the same session. Pattern recognition. Mathematical precision, not opinion, not hindsight. Every signal in this video was published before price action confirmed it. The timestamps are public. The outcomes are verifiable by anyone. This is the standard autonomous trading holds every call to and delivers in real time every session exclusively for Founder Edition members. The same real-time algorithmic signals that called SOUN at $22 and SPY's bottom at $6.30 are available to you right now. Start your free 5-day trial at Autonomous Trading today. Start your free trial now.